Good morning guys, and happy Vlogmas day 14. Nova and Dylan are fighting over there like freaks. Anyways, you guys, let me show you guys what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm currently editing yesterday's vlog that you guys watched, okay? Oh, and I haven't even really scratched the surface of it yet. I am so tired. Yesterday, I was feeling super burnt out. Well, I was telling you guys that I was feeling super burnt out. I really do feel burnt out, you guys. I'm like, dang. But then what makes me feel a little bit happier is that I only have 10 days left of Vlogmas. Not that I'm like, oh my god, I just can't wait for Vlogmas to be over. I can't wait for Vlogmas to be over. Like, oh, I hate it. I don't hate it. Like, the only thing I do hate about it is that I'm missing out on a lot of sleep. You know what I mean? Like, that's the only thing, because I'm always editing, and then I'm always up late getting footage because I've edited all day. So I just been losing a lot of sleep lately. So that's basically it. But other than that, I love the fact that I've been consistent. I love the fact that I'm giving you guys what you guys want, the content, and all that good stuff. I love that I'm getting closer with you guys. I live for this. Like, I love it. I love that. But I just really do miss my god dang sleep. I just miss it. So I am going to finish editing this video. Hopefully I can get it done within the next 2 to 3 hours. I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys because I'm tired of showing you guys videos where I'm in the dark like it's night. Let me just get some like daylight, child. Let me just get something for you guys. Well, no. Wait. It's not even Vlogmas day. Wow. Okay, so let me do this again. Hello, and happy Vlogmas day 15.
And mommy.
It's 15. That's how you know I've been doing it for so long. Because it was 14 when it's 15.
Mommy, we're supposed to open our calendars.
I know. We're going to do that. Okay, go get it. Let's go get it. Let's just do it now. Let's just open the calendars now.
Chocolate.
I can't believe that I literally thought it was Vlogmas day 14. I'm gonna keep that in here. I'm not even gonna like scrap that. I'm gonna keep the whole thing so you guys can see the delusional part of me. I'm so tired. Nova has not opened her Advent calendar for days.
I'm coloring a black girl.
Ooh, you did such a good job that too, Nova girl. Okay, so where did we leave off? Alright, Nova, put this back in your room. With all the chocolate for all the days we missed. So these are all the chocolates that we missed, you guys. I cannot believe that we literally missed all these days. And we were doing so good opening every single one in the beginning. Okay. So I'm gonna just take 2. Is that okay, Nova?
Yeah. I'm gonna have these. Since I got these.
You get 2 of these. Okay, and then you want another green one or this one?
No thank you.
You don't want any of these?
No.
Okay, so good.
I got these cool things.
Ooh, are you excited to open those?
Yeah.
Okay.
At first I'm gonna open the other one.
That's some good chocolate. Alright, I'm gonna go back and edit this video because I gotta get it done. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at outside. Look at the ground. Look at Jenna. Like, what is going on here? We have to go to the grocery store to buy some stuff for the house for the kids. So it's like, we gotta be out here right now. I'm in such a bad mood right now, you guys. I left the stupid ending of my video in my last vlog, okay, in day 14. And I know it was nothing crazy, but like, you guys know that I like to, you know, I take pride on my editing, you know? So like, the fact that I left that stupid part in the video, I'm like, listen, okay? Like, we all know that I have water bags for kitties, okay? But like, there's certain angles that I try my best not to show, you know? And like, that angle was just so like, you could see me like trying to fix the camera. I don't know. I was just like, And I like for my videos to be clean when it comes to editing, you know? So I'm just really pissed off that I left this stupid part in the video. And then I try to edit in like YouTube editing, and YouTube editing is taking forever. Like, ew. It's actually so gross. That's so gross. But yeah, I'm so mad. Like, and YouTube editing is supposed to take like short. Like, I edited it in there. It's supposed to be out, but it's not. And I edited it out like 30 minutes ago, and it's still there. Like, I'm going crazy. Okay, what do we need? Oh wow, they look so good. Oh my gosh.
Ombre chrome. Of course, I use purple.
How did you get this?
At the
the nail salon.
the nail place I told you that's by work.
Yeah.
You should go there.
Wow, that's really nice.
That's right.
Yeah, I love them. Wow, they're beautiful. They look really good.
This one costs $65.
Wow.
But I think it was worth it.
Yeah, no,
You guys like it?
they're really nice. It's the basic stuff. So angry right now. Like, this day was so crappy.
Oh, I have been feeling for sweet corn. I want sweet corn.
Today was going so good, and then it just went crappy. I really want to turn it around, but I don't know if I can. Ew, this is so annoying. What else are you looking for?
My bed.
I'm like trying to hide this pimple on my face. It's so gross. Ew. People are probably like, you should just pop it. You should just pop it. But I don't want to pop it because I don't want a scar on my face. And it leaves scars. This is the quietest I've ever heard no froze in my life.
I love it. I love it.
I can't believe this. Oh my god. I'm trying to hide my pimples so ugly.
In snowstorms all the time.
Oh, I look horrible. What about that one right there? That's on the left right there. Is that a boneless?
People left it here because it's $26.99.
Oh wow.
That's why someone left it there. I am buying 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of chicken breast for $26.99.
Yeah, I
Are
know.
you smoking?
That's a lot. And I'm still looking at the video, you guys, and it's still not edited out. Like, it's almost been a whole hour, and that stupid part's still in the video. Like, could you imagine if I was like naked or something? And I'm like, oh my god, I just want to like edit it. Well, I mean, if I was naked, I would just delete the video altogether. But I mean, like, could you imagine though, like, if it was something more important and I didn't want to delete the video altogether, like I just had to delete one part, and it's taking a whole more. YouTube needs to do better with that. Like, that's like, what's the point of editing, having an editing software if it doesn't delete right away? Remember in my video I told you that when I was like getting a sour cream, the other one fell over and she's like, oh my gosh, look how you deal with people's food. I'm like, what the hell?
What time did they drop the boxes in the back? Throw it around?
No, that doesn't make any sense. I'm wondering if they have any Christmas cookies here, but I don't see any, you guys. Like, no, like what? Come on, man. Not any Christmas cookies. Like, what? This is so stupid. Oh, another thing that makes my day go sad. No Christmas cookies. Wow. They don't have any Christmas cookies.
Huh? You don't have?
Nope.
Not here.
See, I told you today something's wrong with today. The one time Jenna wants to buy lasagna, you guys, vegetarian lasagna, it's not even here. Look at that. Something's wrong. Something is wrong, Jenna.
Mac and cheese. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, aren't you lucky?
I found it.
Shut up. Ugh! I'm happy for you, Jenna. I'm happy for you that it's all turning around.
This looks good.
It's not turning around for me, though. Okay, guys, so remember Jenna said she wanted to make noodles? Well, you guys are gonna see how she makes her famous noodles. Wait, so what brand is that?
This is Samyang. And this is the cheese spicy noodles. The cheesy spicy noodles. And I'll mix it with rice cakes, spicy rice cakes.
Oh, that's rice cakes? You know this whole time I thought that was noodles?
No, it's rice cakes.
Wow, let me see.
They're called tteokbokki.
Okay, yes. So rice cakes.
I'm gonna fuck my nails too.
Shut up.
But yeah.
Look at my nails.
You can scratch really tough feet with those ones.
Wow, Jenna. You know my situation right now, okay? I can't afford to get my nails done right now. Christmas took it all out of me.
I didn't pay for these.
Oh, your little sneaky link did?
One of them.
Whatever.
Not gonna name any names.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what she did was put water in a pan.
Yeah, so usually when I'm making it for myself, because, you know, my sister wants them too. Usually when I make it for myself, I cook them separate. With it, just add hot water. I stick it in the microwave, and then I'll just like throw it together and just do what I do. But I guess for the sake of video.
Oh my god, seriously? You see, you guys, she doesn't even like making videos.
So I really don't. I had a YouTube channel. I stopped posting, and then YouTube just deleted it for me.
Yeah,
so,
someone asked in the comments. They were like, "Oh, ask her if she would ever consider doing a YouTube channel or something like that." Or
yeah, I had one, but then because I wasn't posting, YouTube decided to just say, "Hey, I'm gonna delete your channel."
that's messed
and all
up.
my videos with it.
Oh, that's so sad.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay, well, it looks like your water is getting a little hot now. Looks like it's starting to boil up.
I'm also gonna add some hot dogs.
Okay. Trust me, you guys, I've tasted this before. It's bomb the way she makes it. So good.
Only thing I wish we had was the green onions, because you're in a mood in the store. You're like, I don't want green onions.
Wait, I never said that. To green onions? I would never say I don't want a green
I'm
onion.
like, Joel, like, look, do you want like green onions or anything? You're like, oh, you know, let's just stick to the basic stuff.
Jenna, you could have got the green onions if you really wanted it, Jenna. Come on.
Well, I didn't want.
Wow, the green onions would have looked so good, Jenna. I know I was in a mood, but Jenna, it's green onions. Don't you cook with green onions?
Sometimes. That's okay. I'll just put onion powder and then I'll use some of your spinach to give it the greens. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then, come on, this is me you're talking about. I can revamp anything.
Okay. Okay, fine.
I don't want any of your arugula.
Why? What's wrong with the arugula? It's so
I
good
will
for you.
take baby spinach.
Okay.
Alright, so my water is boiling. So I'm going to add the rice cakes in first because they take a little bit longer to cook. Why they call it rice cakes, I don't know, but whatever.
What do they look like when they're not in, like, they're not inflated? Like, that's
So
what I
you just
really
take
want
the
to know.
cover off. So you're supposed to eat it in here because like they give you like a little spoon and fork.
Oh, okay.
Fork.
Wait, so this is really a dish? Like, rice cakes alone is a real thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I actually did not. I thought you had to eat them with noodles.
No, the Koreans just mix it, but you can eat it by itself.
Oh, okay.
And they give you a little sauce pack. Just to spice the sauce. But this one is a little sweeter. The rice cakes are sweet. They put sugar in it. So the sauce in here is sweeter than the actual noodles. Anyways,
Okay.
and the rice cakes look like this. Like literally dumplings. So
I wonder what it's made out of.
Rice flour.
Like, is it really though? Is it really?
I've seen Koreans make it from scratch. It's really like a flour that they use.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, don't eat this. It's just like something to keep it fresh. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the water like that. I'm gonna add this. Open it up. Oh, another spice pack, and some cheese.
You know I love cheese.
And then you just.
I'm just a terror.
So shut up! Oh my god, guys, she's so annoying. We used to go when we were younger. We used to go in the fridge and find the block cheese like this with teeth marks in it.
Oh my god, you did not
And
do
we
that.
always knew it was her because it had a space in between. When you bite it, you can see the space. Like, oh, you don't get it.
First off, I will say, oh my god, my head. I will say that when I was younger, I did used to do that. I don't know. I guess I was really greedy, but I would always try to lie and be like, I didn't do that. And mom's like, you're the only one in the house with a space tea. Look on the cheese. Look at the cheese. I'm like, oh. So yeah, I used to do that. I don't know what was going on with me. I was a little greedy one there, but wow, Jenna, you really exposed me like that on YouTube.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So while that's cooking in there, I'm gonna cook the hot dogs in there. The microwave.
I said, I'm gonna cook it in the microwave. So if you own a microwave, just cook it in the microwave.
If not, I mean, you could boil the hot dog in with the pasta water, but like, don't have time for all that.
So just use your microwave.
So just use your microwave.
And we'll be back. Okay, so they're pretty much boiled now. So Jenna's gonna add the spinach. Why the heck you just drop it in like that?
That spinach.
Jenna, stop this.
All for you, Janielle. All for you. Okay, so I put the spinach in there. And I'm gonna add the sauce. Add all 4 packets.
Damn, Jenna, is this spicy?
Good, you wanted some.
I know, but it's like really spicy, like really, really spicy.
No, because I add things to it to kind of tone down the spice.
Okay. So now that you put this sauce
I'm
in.
just adding a little bit more water because I did dry it out a little bit too much.
Okay.
So I'm adding a little water to it. And I'm also adding this cheese pack to it. I'm just going to sprinkle that in there. I'm just going to mix it all together. Looks good already, right?
It looks amazing already.
That's not even done. I remember one time when I had my cooking channel, and someone asked me, like, do you own any wooden utensils?
Really?
Yeah, and I'm like, do you have money to send it to me?
I'd ask the same thing too. Like, you don't know my pockets. I'm trying my best.
Right? So now, I'm going to add my hot dog. So just slice your hot dog. I already put it in the microwave, so I'm just slicing it up. This is what I think about men.
You're a little aggressive with those scissors, Jenna. Maybe you do feel that way.
But like, who's your boss? Who's your boss with this little tiny ear? Okay, last step is to just grate some cheese in there, which I'm very lazy to do. Give me the camera. You do it.
Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. Okay.
Oh, she's faking it right now.
Where's the thing? Where's the thing?
It's right there.
I'm actually very excited. I never get to, like, do stuff like this. So.
Wow.
Okay.
You're only grating the cheese, like, that's such a hard thing to do right now.
Okay, hold on. Wait.
You're really chefing it up right now there.
Shut up. Okay, let me wash the grater because, we're not dusty people, so.
Anyways, so this is what I did. And she's excited about doing that. You see the difference?
Well, I love cheese.
Just don't eat it while you're,
Shut up. So how much cheese you want me to grate, Jenna? I mean, I can do whatever you like.
I'll tell you when to stop, Shirley.
What did you just call me? You call me Shirley?
Look here, this is the hardest job ever. This is the hardest I've seen her work all week.
Oh, shut up, girl. I've been working hard. I've been working hard since it's 1st of December.
Grate that cheese. Scrape that cheese. Scrape that cheese. You gotta work hard for your meal.
Shut up! This looks bomb, bro. Jenna, how you know if it cook so good, Jenna? How you learn? This looks so good, Jenna. Okay, so she's gonna add some garlic powder now.
I forgot to put that in there. And onion. I mean, don't eat like this every day, guys.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna look.
Yeah, this is not good for you. Like every day, no.
You're gonna look very, you know.
Healthy?
Healthy, strong. With a little bit of breathing problems.
Oh my god. Okay, but this is good?
Yeah. And I only eat this when I crave it. Usually when I'm on my, you know.
Yeah,
my monthly.
Yeah.
That's when I crave noodles.
And you guys heard what I said yesterday, so yeah, we definitely are both on that right now.
Alright, it looks done.
It's done? Yay!
Alright, I want Janielle to do a taste test.
Okay. So I need noodles, a rice cake, and a piece of sausage. With some spinach. This bite has everything, okay? Everything.
Good, right?
Jenna, this is so good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Bomb, right? I know. You can't eat it every day though. It's really, really rich. Yep, she likes it, guys. You didn't hear her mouth yet? You didn't hear her voice? She's the loudest person in this house. And she ain't talking.
Yeah, it's very good.
Look at the plate. Look at the plate. What? It done.
Chef kiss.